Hello everyone and welcome to Show Me How to Fix It. I'm going to try to do the homemade slime. So let's see how well this goes. I got my borax, got my Elmer's glue, and water and blue color food dye. So let's see how well this comes out. Okay. 1/3 cup of water with borax, a teaspoon of water, or tablespoon of borax, sorry. So 1/3 water, 1 tablespoon of borax. Supposed to mix together and let it dissolve. Okay. And supposed to have 1 full cup of water with an entire bottle of Elmer's glue. So while I'm letting that borax dissolve into the water, put this in here. There's 1/2 cup. And a full cup. And now I'm going to put this in a much bigger bowl so that way I can let it so I can mix it correctly. Okay. Now, put my Elmer's glue into there. Dump it completely out, I was told. That does take a while. Okay. Now, after mixing all that, doesn't make much, but slime. Ew. Wait a second. Blue slime. Blue slime.